beautiful people, welcome back. And if you are new here, hey you, hello, hi. I'm so excited to have you join us today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my clove oil to grow my hair faster. So if you really want to know all the tea to the T, all the tips and tricks I use to grow my hair, then make sure you are watching to the end because I'm going to show you the instructions and all the tips towards the end. Let's get into it. The first ingredients I'm going to use is the cloves. Cloves are very inexpensive and you can find them at your local grocery store. If you do not know how they look like, just pause the video and take a screenshot and bring it to your grocery store and find these gems. So I start by crushing the cloves. You can use your blender or anything that you have. I already have a lot of this oil in my cabinet, so I'm only making a little bit for the sake of this video. So after crushing, I'm going to put it in a mason jar. I do not have any measurement to this. You just use as much as you want depending on the quantity you are making. After that, I'm going to add my olive oil. The nutrients in olive oil is really good for our natural hair. Due to its lightweight, it's easily absorbed into the hair. Olive oil can help prevent dry scalp, itchy scalp, dandruff, and also prevent hair loss and hair breakages, adding some shine to your hair. And this in return will help you grow much more healthier hair. So if you're not adding olive oil into your regimen, girl, you are missing out. Pour as much olive oil to make sure it covers all the clove seeds. After that, we're going to put the whole container into boiling water and leave it for about 15 minutes. After that, we're going to take it out, set it aside, and make sure it is cooled down. And this is how it's looking now. You can know that it's infused in the oil by the color change to the oil. Hello people, if you're still watching this video and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So each time I upload all these DIYs that can help you grow your hair faster, you can be notified. You can use anything that you have, a sieve, an old stockings, but I use a paper towel to drain the oil. And now guess what I'm going to add to my oil to make it work even much better? Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is really good for our natural hair. It can help promote hair growth by preventing hair breakages or hair damages. You do not need much, just a few drops will do the trick. It will also increase the lifespan of this oil. The next ingredient I'm going to add is the tea tree oil. Looking at the bottle, the tea tree oil has a whole lot of benefits. You can read straight from the bottle. Tea tree oil can help prevent dry, itchy scalp. It can also prevent dandruff and promote hair growth. Just a few drops will do the trick. The next ingredient is lavender oil. Lavender oil is really good for our natural hair. It can also promote hair growth and it also adds some nice fragrance to this oil. The next ingredient is the Jamaican castor oil. Guys, if you are growing 4C natural hair or any type of natural hair and you do not have this oil, then you are missing out. Jamaican black castor oil will help you grow your hair faster, prevent hair damages or hair loss. It can also help you grow back your edges. Jamaican castor oil is really good for our natural hair. So after adding a few drops to the oil, I'm going to stir everything together. And now we have our oil. I'm going to transfer it into a bottle. And after that, I'm going to show you how to apply it on your hair. There are several ways you can do it, or there are different occasions where you can apply this oil to your hair. So make sure you are watching to the end to get all the tips on how to apply this yummy oil to the hair. So this is our clove oil. I'm going to show you how to apply it. The first way that I use this oil is after my wash days. Right now my hair is all washed. There is nothing in my hair. It looks a little dry, so I'm going to do the LOC method. I'm going to use my leave-in condition, and today I'm going to use the TGIN leave-in condition. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my oil. And guess which oil I'm going to use? I'm going to use my cloves oil. Guys, if you really want to grow your hair really fast, you need these oils in your life. I made a video on how to make the cloves spray and also how to make the cloves butter. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. If you are losing your edges, or you have bald spots, or you have any breakages in your hair, make sure to watch all these 3 videos, make all these gems and use in your hair. You're going to love it and thank me later. So I'm just going to rub it in and make sure it's getting into the hair. I'm getting into the places that I really want it to be, my edges. my roots, everywhere. They need this oil. So if you have it in your edges, you just rub it in like so. If you're losing your edges, rub it in. If you're losing any back spot or any spot in your hair, just rub it in like no one's business. And guys, if you're still watching this video and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up. And hey, spread the love. Share, share, share so people can also watch this video. This is my clove butter. Oh, the smell is out of this world. I'm going to leave the link to this video of how I made this clove butter in the description box. So make sure to check it out. That is what I use as my cream on my hair to help me grow faster hair. It also helps me prevent hair breakages and also helps prevent dry scalp. After everything, I'm going to put my hair in a protective hairstyle. Guys, I cannot even stress on this enough. Do not leave your hair out. Every time after any wash day, after doing the LOC or putting in moisture or moisturizing your hair, make sure you're doing your protective hairstyles. Otherwise, you're going to lose all the moisture and your hair will start breaking. And everything that you did to your hair will come back to zero. So make sure you are locking in the moisture by putting on any simple protective hairstyle. If you're new to this channel, I used to have permed or relaxed hair and chemicals damaged my hair. I use these DIYs to help grow my hair faster. And I am not greedy. That is why I share all the tea to the tea or the tips on this channel. So if you're really serious about growing healthy hair, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload videos like these, you will be notified. On this channel, I do simple hairstyle tutorials that you can rock, anybody can do. And also I do kids hairstyle tutorial. I do organic DIYs that can help you grow your hair faster, and I'll also show you the best routines to help you grow your hair faster. So join us by subscribing and also clicking on the bell. Thank you so much for stopping by today to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it because I enjoyed filming it and I enjoy sharing it with you today. I hope to see you in my next video. But before you leave, there is a video that is going to be on your screen. Make sure you click on that and watch it. You're gonna love it. Thank you so much. And hey, let me show you the next way I use this oil. After every protective hairstyle, the next day when my scalp feels dry, I just drop some few clove oil into my scalp and massage it into my roots. It is really healing, it's really nice, and it will make your hair grow faster and longer. Thank you and bye.